Today, I'm going to be doing the cough drop in water challenge, and I know exactly how it goes. I know I didn't make it up. Okay? So, don't tell me I did it wrong. I know I did it right. I watched many videos. Okay? Many. So, all you need is cough drop and cold water. No other kind. Cold only works. So, yeah, any kind of cough drop. Cold water. Only cold water. Any kind of cough drop. So let's get started. Yay. Oh my god. Dropped it. Got a new one. Here it is. So you're supposed to eat the cough drop as slowly as you want. It doesn't matter. So I'll get you guys done when you start. Okay? When it's done. Okay? Some people think that YouTubers don't do it right. And they just have like something, or you already done it, but I haven't. Jesus. Like, so yeah. So I think that when I watched other one's video, why my face? My face was right. Sorry. So, I'm actually doing it. Okay. Okay. Bye. Until I'm done. Done.
Go. Oh, which you already know. Sorry. Me too.
Ugh, disgusting.
To have a summer
Oh my.
all about music and I know. So, what are you going to do this summer?
So, how was work?
Barney's. We serve burgers at the Barney's Smile. So what's for dinner?
Burgers.
Well, our world-famous Torrance burger.
I'll pass.
Okay. I can't stand it. Tell her.
Well, Steve, she just got home.
Tell me what?
Okay, honey, drum roll. Okay, they're going to Camp Rock.
What?
She said you're going to Camp Rock.
Well, actually, we're going. Connie's Catering is going camping. Business is slow in the summer. This is a steady job, and you get to go to camp at a discounted rate. But you have to help out in the kitchen.
Thank you like a million times.
Almost done. Ooh. So disgusting. Oh my god. I stopped a few times to take a breath. Okay. Done. Comment down below. How did it do for you?